So I just wanted to jump on and do a quick review on this company called Yoycol. I placed my first order with them and I have to say I was so impressed when I received the products. They turned out amazing and the whole process was so easy and it was a lot of fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through it and then I'm gonna show you the products I received and I know you will love them as much as I do. So let's get started. Before I show you what I ordered, let me quickly walk you through the ordering process because it's super simple. You just head on over to their website at yoycol.com, create a free account. It only takes a few minutes. Browse their huge selection. They have over 900 high quality all over print products with over 1,000 more coming soon. They have so many different categories. Their categories include apparel, accessory, home decor, and more. You have two options. You can do the smart design that uses an AI to make the process faster and easier. It's great if you want quick results, or you can do the classic design, which is perfect if you like a little bit more control and precision over your design. It even tells you the exact dimensions you need to upload for a perfect fit. It has a mock-up generator, so once your design is ready, Yoycol's free mock-up generator gives you a realistic preview so you know exactly what to expect. Ordering and tracking were a breeze. Just add your design to your cart, check out, and you're done. They have no order minimums, 24/7 merchant support, and you can track your orders from production to shipping. So all right, let me go ahead and show you what I ordered, and I'm loving every piece. So I have this all over print long sleeve shirt. It has wonderful colors. They're so vibrant and the fit is spot on. It's perfect for standing out or adding a pop of personality to your style. I also ordered two cosmetic bags with black handles. These prints were so sharp and they were the perfect size for travel, organizing all your essentials. They're honestly a must-have. Then I ordered this adorable, stylish women's tote bag. It's sturdy, spacious, and the black handles add a nice touch, perfect for on the go, and it holds so much. I am genuinely impressed with the quality, and honestly, the hardest part was choosing what to order. So if you're a creator looking for a unique, customizable product, or you just want to try something new, I definitely recommend checking out Yoycol. I had such a great experience and I can't wait to create even more designs. I love these. I know you guys will too.